Hello, Columbia State students. I want to quickly show you how to set up an advising appointment and your orientation appointment in Navigate. So the first thing we want to do is go to the Columbia State website. And I'm going to hit /navigate. So it takes me to the actual Navigate site. Now you can also find this by doing the search up here. So as I scroll down, I see what all Navigate has to offer, and I'm going to follow the student link to Navigate. I will log in with my PVT username and password. And the first thing I want to do is go over here to appointments. I already have some appointments listed here with cancellations because I have appointments with advisees. But you, as a first-time student, probably won't see a lot of information right here. So I'm going to go down to the very bottom and click Schedule an Appointment. First, I'm going to schedule my advising appointment. This is a first-time advising appointment. And for now, I'm going to choose Virtual Campus. Now, you'll see a long list of advisors here. If you know which advisor you want to speak with, go ahead and choose that one. But if you don't, and you just want the first one available, then you probably want to select several of the names listed here. And I'm going to click through. No appointments are available for the rest of this week because it is Thursday and appointments must be scheduled at least 24 hours ahead of time. So I'm going to scroll to the next week. Now, if that date is outlined in blue and has a number below it, that means there are available appointments. You can do in the morning or before noon or afternoon, either one. So let's say I want to do my appointment on Wednesday and I want to do it at about 10 o'clock. I'm going to continue to the next step, and Navigate will select somebody who is available. So my appointment is going to be with Bridget Hurt, and it says to please provide contact preference by Zoom or FaceTime. Download the Zoom for Meetings app if I'm going to use Zoom, and it will be sent to my Columbia State email address. Okay, I'll do Zoom. But I'm also going to go down here and add a phone number to make sure that Ms. Hurt can get in touch with me in case something comes up. So now I'm going to confirm my appointment and click Done. Oh, but wait, I also need to schedule orientation. So I'm going to schedule another appointment. This time I want to schedule orientation registration, orientation again, and again I'm going to pick virtual campus due to social distancing. And there are actually some seats in Friday mornings and Friday afternoons. So I'm going to choose the one in Friday afternoon. Make sure that you read through the details of how to do it remotely. Add any comments and confirm the appointment. Now I'm done. And if I go back to appointments, you will see that orientation is scheduled for the 10th, and I have a first-time advising appointment scheduled for the 15th at 10. And if I want to see details, I just click here to see the details. Thank you.